Alright everyone, this isn't necessarily the best of views, but as you can see we have some blue jays. Yeah, they are just eating some bread on my backyard that we left for them. Well, I have to try to move really gently to have a better view so they don't see me. Oh, not sure if they have seen me or not. Oh, he's coming back. There is a lot of them. Those are amongst my favorite birds. They have like 4, 5, or 6 of them right now. Yeah, kind of come by group, and then they go back, and then the cardinals, which are less aggressive, come and try to get some food, and then other species of birds. But yeah, not bluebirds, but blue jays are fairly aggressive. Oh, yeah, I've just seen. Oh, there was one flying over there. Sure. Oh yeah. Trying to. Oh, that's the best I can do for zooming. So, yeah. We see quite a lot of birds, and those are winter birds, so they will be here even with the snow and everything. As you can see, they are really robust. Sorry. They are really beautiful birds. Strangely enough, my favorite birds are raven and crows. Just because, you know, I just like what not a lot of other people like for some reason. But yeah, blue jays are really amongst my favorites. Definitely much more beautiful than the crows, but yeah. I don't know why, I just like the black birds quite a lot. Oh, we have a sexy little fellow right here. Anyway, I'm starting to freeze. It's kind of cold where I am right now, and yeah, I have to do other stuff, so I hope you have enjoyed this little glimpse of nature, and I will see you all real soon for the next one. I'm just going to wait for that little bird to pop out to have some less imagery, and then I'm going to cut this video. Come on. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.